What's up? These are Persian mulberry fruits, and this tree has an important message to share. I'm a hustlin', bustlin', thriving fruit producer from spring to summer. Being a deciduous tree, I will lose my foliage in the winter, and I'm asking you to prune me. I will grow back, fast and furious. So kindly give me air circulation and prune me heavily. Oh, and don't forget to look at the base of my trunk to trim off all of the suckers. You can use them to clone me. Here's another tip. Based on where you planted me, if a branch is growing in the wrong direction, remove it. No problem. These strategic cuts will allow me to gift you with quality fruits instead of the overcrowded, moldy, and poor-tasting ones. Hey, look at me now. Spring, here I come. Oh, the tree wanted me to remind you all to please avoid heavy pruning during cold and wet weather. Let us minimize the spread of diseases and keep everyone happy.